Welcome back to Nifty 50 Photographers. Now today's video is really for Sony camera users, and I know there's a lot of criticism about Sony menus being too complicated and there being too many of them, when there's really only a few functions you often use regularly. So what I'm going to show you today is a little tip on how to get those functions at your fingertips and to save you having to scroll through multiple menus to find what you want. So the secret is to use the favorites menu, and let me show you how you add something to that menu. So the first thing you need to go to is the star, which is my menu. Scroll across and then go to my menu setting. Now we're going to add an item. So you go to add item, click your center button, and then you choose the item you want to add. Now let's just, for the sake of argument, I'm going to scroll back across. I'm going to go into the focus menu and I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to choose subject recognition because this is something I quite often like to change. I quite often like to change the recognition target depending on whether I'm shooting people, animals, or simply an object. So let's choose that. And I'm going to add this to a new menu. So you could add it to my menu 1, but you've got a choice of 6 here. I'm going to set up a separate menu where I'm going to put all the things that are related to focus on it. So I'll go to my menu 2, and now this is the tricky bit. This is where you have to press the center button again. So you press that, now it's been added. And that's the thing that often isn't obvious, that you have to press that center button again. Let me go back and now I can show you. Press menu to get out of that, get right back out. Let's go into the menu, and here on my menu 2 now you can see recognition target is set there. So it's as simple as that. That's how to get those things that you commonly use right at your fingertips so you can select them quickly without having to scroll through multiple pages. Now if you found that useful, you might find this video useful, which is how to set up your camera for a time-lapse video. If you're a Sony camera user, do make sure you subscribe to the channel because I regularly put tips on about how to get the best out of your Sony camera. And also, please like this video. In the meantime, I hope you can go out and have some fun with the camera. There's some gorgeous autumn colors over here in the UK at the moment, so great time to be out shooting. So have some fun with your camera, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.